Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the hole feature in the part. So let us draw one part first. Click on the sketch, select the plane, go to the sketch. Here we will draw the rectangular plate with center rectangle command with dimensions 500 by 300. Click on the OK. Now we will extrude this up to certain distance, say 200. Click on the OK. So to obtain the hole feature in the part modeling, here is the hole option available with us. Click on the hole. Select anywhere on the plane where you want to place the hole. After that, we have to adjust the hole dimensions with some reference. So we will take the line as a reference. So click on this point, place to the line, click on this line, place to this line. So in this way we have taken the reference from this first line and second line. So we will modify the dimension. Suppose we want this hole at the center, so we will consider it as a 150 and this as a 250. So you can see here the hole is at exactly the center point of the rectangle. The depth of the hole is adjusted here. So we will see the all options one by one. So placement we have done. Now in case of shape, so you can modify the shape of the hole from this case. So the first is hole diameter is 74. Suppose we want it as a 60, so modify it as a 60. We want the hole depth as a 150, so click on 150. You can see the dimensions are modified to the 150. Again we want to modify the hole dimensions, then go to the modify dimension command. Here you can modify the hole dimensions. Suppose we don't want it as a 150, we want 130, so click on 130. It will be automatically changed. Click on generate, go to the hole modification. Now we will change the hole types. So for the hole types, second is this. We can see the shape here. So in this case we have various options. So the options are angle 118, so we want it as a 120, so modify it 120. Then first is up to the blind option, that means whatever the distance we have given here, up to that only the hole will continue the cavity. Second is to the next. Next means here we have to set the next plane up to which we want the hole. Third one is the throughout the hole. It produces the throughout hole with all planes. Through until this section, it will also place the hole until the section. Select the section. You can select the section from here and to the selected. To the selected means whatever the distance we have given, up to that only the hole will continue. So in this way we have these various options for the holes. So for particular case we will take the blind option. So here you can see the hole with the taper at the end. So again we want to modify it, so go to the model definitions. Then the next type is Here you can change the orientation. Suppose we want the dimensions up to 80. 80 is not in the range, so we will consider it up to 70. Again 70 is also not in the range, so we will take as a 60. So in this case you can see if the dimensions are not properly managed, then it will show the error. So that's why in whole case the dimensions are very important, because all the dimensions are parametric, they are interrelated to each other. So that's why whole dimensions are very important. In this way you can modify the another shape. These dimensions are standard one for the diameter of the hole. Accordingly you can modify the hole dimensions. So these are the various options available with us in case of hole. If we click on OK, then you can see the hole dimensions can be changed. As we are using the parametric software, in case of parametric software, you can modify the dimensions after placing or after producing the object also. So this is the hole command in the Creo.